Hi guys, today I went for a 50-kilometer bike ride and something interesting happened. I thought I'll share. When I was completing my 50 kilometers, last 5 kilometers, a boy came to my side. He was also young, very young boy. He also came on my side and he said, "Uncle, race लगाओगे क्या?" मैंने बोला ठीक है लेकिन तुम हेलमेट नहीं पहने ना तो थोड़ा ध्यान से. I was wearing a helmet. And then we raced and he was ahead of me obviously, and then but towards the end I was able to overtake him. And then very nicely he commented कि अंकल इस एज में भी ठीक ठाक चला ले रहे bicycle. So and I could not stop smiling. All of a sudden it felt more precious than all the medals that I have been collecting at all the runs and everything. So just it was very sweet moment and I thought I'll share. Here's a picture of me and